Hey everyone, welcome back to the Python for QA and Developers playlist. In this video, we are going to write our first Python program and learn how to run Python code in two different ways. First, as a script file, and another way is the interactive Python REPL method. So this is an important step because it helps you confirm that your Python setup works and gives you an interactive way to try ideas quickly. Let's start with the simplest program in Python, which almost all programmers learn first, the hello world. In Python, you display text on the screen using the print function. Here is what it looks like. So it basically calling this print and then putting your text, any text that you want to print. Let's say hello world. So let's first create a file called hello.py. So all your Python script files ends in .py extension. So you can create the file inside your project folder. So if you are on your Mac machine, you can create the file using you can go to the terminal and then run this command touch hello.py. So that creates this empty file hello.py. If you are on the Windows, you can use the Windows command to create the file, which I will leave it in the description, but I am using the Mac, so let's continue. Now you can open the hello.py file in VS Code. So I have this Visual Studio Code, so I have the hello.py file, and inside this file you can enter this line, the print function, and then the string. You can type anything, hello, hi, or any string you want to print. So you type this line here and then save the file. To run this command, you can simply click the play button, which is the VS Code way, and there you go, it prints the text to the screen. Or the other way to run it is right click on the file and then say run Python file in terminal. So it does the same thing. So there you go, it's a simple program and you see the output hello from VS Code. So this simple example shows how Python executes code from a file. The scripts that you wrote here are the files that contain the Python code. For example, here we have one line of Python code that you can run again and again. Now let's talk about the other way, which is the Python REPL. So REPL is an abbreviation. So REPL stands for read, eval, print, loop, and it's the interactive Python shell that comes with every Python installation. So in a REPL session, you type the Python commands one line at a time and see the results immediately. This is very useful for testing small bits of code or experimenting without creating all these files and then opening it in a VS Code. So to start the Python REPL, open your terminal, Windows terminal or Mac terminal window. In Windows it's a command prompt, and here I use the Mac, so it's a terminal. So open your terminal and type the command Python. You can also open your VS Code and type the Python code. VS terminal is the same as the regular Mac terminal. So to show you how it's working here, let's use the terminal in the VS Code. So all you need to do is type the command Python 3. If you're using Mac, if you're using Windows, Python might work. But for Mac, Python 3 is what will work. So as soon as you type the command Python 3, so it enters this interactive mode, and you see this this prompt has changed to this symbol, and we are ready to type our Python code directly here. So that's the REPL prompt you see here. And let's start typing any command. You can simply type any command. For example, the print command. Let's type this and then say any string inside that, and then you hit enter and you immediately see the output. So this is the biggest advantage. You can test small bits of code, and the another cool thing is you can use this as a calculator too. So let's say 8 plus 10, it gives you 18. And the same way, if you add two strings, you can do all these simple checks and see there is a syntax error, and it immediately tells you, and you can see why it failed. So you can see here, and you can experiment with many things. 0 plus 0, they both have to be strings, or so you can easily see that you can concatenate only string, so you get the output immediately. So that's the magic of this REPL. So you can perform calculations, you can test your functions, you can even inspect your variables and learn how your Python script, the Python code behaves before you put the actual code into a script file. So if you ever want to exit this REPL mode, all you need to do is type this exit, and it will take you back to your command prompt, the normal command prompt. Or you can press the Ctrl D in Mac or Ctrl Z and then enter on Windows. After you experiment your small bits of code, you can take what you learned and you can simply put that in a script file and build larger programs. So as you practice, you will find that this REPL is a great way to explore the Python features and also debugging small parts of your code without running the entire script. So as you practice, you'll need to take advantage of this cool feature. So in this video, you wrote your first Python script that prints hello world and explored how to use the Python REPL to run code interactively. You now have two ways to run Python code. You can put the command in a file, script in a file, and then run the file, or you can do interactively using the REPL interactive shell. In the next video, we will learn about the variables and how Python stores data, which builds on what we did here with the hello world and the REPL. So keep following the playlist, and I will see you in the next one.